Well, something that I use as much as my dishes and possibly more are cups. So I wanted to use this shelf for my cups and glasses, and I put these hooks up with the intention of hanging mugs on them. So that's actually a good thing that you can even do, even if you have cabinets. You can put hooks in. You can get some of the screws with the hook on the end, and you can put those inside your cabinets. And that will it'll help you maximize that upper plane within your cabinet. So I have those hanging there, and then I just put my cups down along this shelf. And then they're easily accessible, and but up out of the way, and they actually in some ways serve a decorative purpose as well.